Salam Amharic students, I'm back today and I'm very excited and happy to introduce you to the My Amharic Journey platform. That's why I am making this video, so you will understand how to use the system in full effect. The address is myamharicjourney.com, as you can see up here. First, we will look at the services that you can access without being logged in. These are the registration page, videos, and alphabets. Let's start with alphabets. There are 3 options under alphabets: practice random alphabets, practice selected alphabets, and all alphabets. Let's go to practice random alphabets. Under practice alphabets, you get to practice randomly selected alphabets and decide how many alphabets to practice in number. By default, you are presented with more than 200 alphabets. You can change the number according to your desire. So for example, if you want to practice only 5 alphabets, then you input 5 there. You can also use the controls to change the amount. Modify the numbers and practice again and again. And so on. Let's move to practice selected alphabets. Here you have more control. For example, if you'd like to practice this alphabet and this, you choose the ones you want to practice like I did now, and you start the exercise. In this exercise, you see that you are presented with 7 alternatives and the letter. Let's do this one. Once you finish, choose another set of alphabets. For example, you can keep these ones if you want and add others, or you can remove them like this and maybe practice this one and this one and this one. So it's up to you. You choose which ones you want to practice and do it again and again until you master everything. If you want to see the list of all alphabets, then you visit here. Not all the Amharic alphabets are presented here, only the ones you need the most are. The best way to learn is actually study these ones first, and then when you feel comfortable, you can come to the exercises and practice here, or you can practice here and then test how well you know the alphabets. To access more services in the platform, you need to register and log in. To register, you need your name, password, your favorite color, and your date of birth. The security questions are needed in case you forget and want to reset your username or password. Remember that your name has to be no less than 2 characters and it should not be more than 20 characters. Password minimum 6 characters and maximum 20 characters. Your favorite color should not be more than 10 characters. And make sure to input your date of birth and a strong password. Once you register, you will be given a unique ID that you use to identify yourself during login. Make sure to remember your unique ID. The other services that you can access without being logged in is to do the provided exercises. You can go to my YouTube channel and find the video and get the link that's assigned to the video there. Go to YouTube and type the channel name. And after you type the channel name, you open it and open the video. Make sure to watch the video until the end, and when you have finished watching the video and when you feel like you have mastered it, then you can come and click on the link here. You can do this without being logged in. After you have registered, you enter your unique ID that you are provided with, your student name and password. In case you forget your login information, you can reset it there. Just as an example, I have logged in as a student called Joe Jackson. In the platform, there are 2 main types of exercises. First, exercises created by students. Second, exercises created by me. We have already seen how this works. You can still do that after logging in as well. The same thing with alphabets. As you can see, you still have access to them. And most of the time, you want to create your own exercises. For example, after you have done the school exercises, you may feel like you have missed something. And in that case, you complete it by creating your own. Joe has not created any of his own personal exercises yet, so it encourages him to do it. As an example, let's click on create one now and create an exercise that helps Joe practice days of the week in Amharic. As you saw, using the plus sign, you can add more questions to your exercises and using the minus sign, you can remove unwanted questions. Notice the appropriate tag name that I gave it. And we leave the visibility on public for now. Click on create when you are done. It gives you a confirmation. Click on OK and move forward. We have only one tag, so it's getting exercises from that tag. If we had multiple tags, we would have been able to see them in the list and choose them too. Let's go to our home page and see what we have. Now we can see we have one exercise that we have created under our name. The total number of created exercises is 1. The tag name is weekdays. It contains 7 exercises. Its visibility is public, meaning anyone who is logged in can see it. And we also have the option to delete it if we want. Let's create one more exercise. This time we do it from this menu.